I'm getting backpack, not you. Now you. We're inside of our little beautiful house.
Uh-huh. And we have beautiful windows.
Love the windows.
Yeah, me too.
Here's a shot of our backyard out our door.
Yeah.
That is very cool.
We have a little house and it's comfy.
And it is comfy.
It's beautiful and has a purple roof that my elf painted it.
The elves did make it.
No, the elf painted the... My elf painted the roof.
Oh, she did?
Purple.
All by herself?
Yeah, I think.
That's cool. She's very good at painting.
Yeah.
Because she did not paint. She did not get any paint on the white walls, did she?
No.
That was very smart.
Yeah, that's really good, Elfie. Her name is Lucy.
Lucy?
Yeah.
That's a very good name. Just like your middle name is Lucy.
Ava Lucy Freeman.
Yes.
My name is Ava Lucy Freeman, and I love my Lucy. She's my elf. And she painted the roof really good. She didn't get it on the white walls.
Nope. I like calling your name Scooby Lucy Freeman.
Well, I like calling my daddy Chili Freeman Juba. I made you laugh.
And sometimes I'm Daddy Doo, and sometimes you're Scooby Loo.
Yeah.
Scooby Loo and Daddy Doo?
Well, it's time to go to bed.
Okay. Night, night. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.